they will not be agents. But now they are running around and they have got IBC badges. So you begin to wonder, how did they get these badges? They can access polling stations and yet they are not agents. And we are not. We were told that there would be only 2 policemen in a polling station. You're supposed to, every candidate should have 2 agents. You know, but now they have all these extra people running around with IBC badges, and they can access. I think Wangari Maathai was at Sasimua. How did she get a badge? You know, she's not an agent.
Martha Wangari, that's
yeah, Martha Wangari.
The MP for Gilgil.
Gilgil.
Martha Wangari is in studio currently, Citizen TV.
Lakini tuliambiwa ameingia Sasimua. So all these people, why do they have badges, IBC badges? This is my question.
So your problem is with the elected leaders who are
elected leaders and IBC. Why give them badges? Why issue them with IBC badges? And we were told you're only supposed to have 2 agents per polling station, and there will be 2 policemen, and that is it. And they said nobody should be within 400 meters of a polling station. Why are they all over the polling station now?
Mīhang'o ya wikio wa kurano irathie na mbere ceceni itiganite cia gicigo kia ubunge